This video will show you how to unsubscribe from spam emails in Gmail. I'll show you a few different ways which are really going to help you out here. So once you've opened up Gmail, go to the show search options button in the top right, then click on has the words, this box next to it, and then type unsubscribe. Once you've done that, you can then go ahead and click search, and here you'll see all of your subscriptions, because legally a subscription has to have an unsubscribe button. This will narrow it down for a lot of your subscriptions, so you may realize that your subscriptions aren't actually as many as you thought. It's just one company spamming over and over again. Now, we could unsubscribe manually from these, which is fine, or if you go ahead and find one which lets you unsubscribe from hovering over it, like this one by Sky, we can just click on the unsubscribe button and then unsubscribe. That will unsubscribe from that mailing list. Now you'll notice that some of these have this unsubscribe button, some of them just don't. So what we can do, we can either go ahead and manually unsubscribe. Now we've got a list of all of these subscriptions, and notice here we've got a lot by Quinn. We could just click on one of these, scroll down, and then click the unsubscribe button. That would mean in the future we don't now have any subscriptions from these. What we could also do is go to show search options. You can then type in has the words unsubscribe, and then you can go ahead and create a filter. So in the future, when you get a message from a subscription which has the word unsubscribe, we can essentially skip the inbox and archive it. We could also just straight up delete it, or we could apply the label and then create a new label and just call this subscriptions. Once you do this, any future emails with the word unsubscribe will go into the subscriptions label. So click create filter and you've set it up. Now all of these subscriptions shouldn't come into primary, and they'll go into your subscriptions folder. Obviously this will only apply to future ones. Apart from that, you can go back and type in unsubscribe, and like I said, go ahead and find the ones that are commonly spamming you and just go and manually unsubscribe for them.